Hi everyone. Today we'll see about the writing task 1. So in this writing task 1, today's sample is map. Okay. Again, we have a question here and duration is 20 minutes and we have to write the words between 150 to 182. It should not be lesser than 150 and it should not exceed 180. Okay. So words means a lot. So it based on your score level. Okay. So we'll start with this question. The map below show the center of the small town called Asleb as it is now and plans for its development. Okay. So two maps is given, right? Two maps are given. So two maps already we have a vision. So based on that map and based on this question, we are going to frame the answer. Okay. So the pattern is, as we discussed earlier, we have to write the introduction part by paraphrasing the question and followed by we have to give conclusion statement, that is overall statement, and followed by two body paragraph. This is the main content and we have to point the keywords. We have to add more keywords that will enhance your score. Okay, so we'll start with paraphrasing the question. The maps illustrate the current and predicted future Islip town center. Okay, so it shows the center of a small town called Islip. It's given right. Okay, but we are paraphrasing as illustrate, adding the word illustrate and the current and predicted future. So two maps are given. So we are using this word predicted future Islip town center. Okay, and conclusion part. Overall, it is clear. So that is determined part. So it is clear from the maps that some pedestrianization is planned for shopping and housing area, while a new road for vehicles is planned to frame this area. Okay, that's it. So we are ending with the conclusion. So what is the planning? We are determining the part. Okay, so planned for shopping and housing area, while a new road for vehicles is planned to frame this area. That's it. And then we are starting with first body paragraph. So starting the words with focusing on the current map. Okay, so current map. So focusing on, we are starting the statement focusing on the current map. The town center is developed around the main road which stretches from the west to the east, and there are many shops to the north and to the south of the road, whilst it is mainly consisted of the countryside in the north. So it is mainly consisted. So countryside is mainly more building there. So mainly consisted with the north. A big area is occupied by housing in the south, and this area is limited by a park in the east and a school in the southwest. So what are the locations are mentioned in the direction? So we have to mention. So mainly we have to focus on the direction. So after receiving the paper, that is map diagram or map sample diagram, we have to mark east, west, north, south, and based on the locations we have to write the hints. So in east, what are the locations is there, and we have to give a hint, and then followed by we have to frame the sentences based on that hint. Okay, this is the small idea, and both of these structures are connected to the main road by the side roads. That's it. We are ending with this first paragraph. And then, so what are the changes you are going to implement in this new map? That is, we have to focus on second paragraph. Moving on to the predictions, a circular road that goes around the city center attracts the attention. So attracts the attention is a keyword. Okay, and this road expected so to build in a is a dual carriageway, and the middle part of the main road is projected to the pedestrianized, although the southern part of the Islip is not designated to see big changes other than some new housing and a shrink is another keyword, a shrink in the size of the park. There are many changes planned for the northern part. Shops in this part will be demolished and a shopping center and housing area will be introduced. So shops is demolished and followed by what are they are introducing is shopping center and a housing area. So we have to adjoin it, will be introduced. A bus station and a parking space are also planned to build to the west. So in which direction they are planning, we have to mention build to the west and the east of the shopping center respectively. So this is the content. Okay, so first we are starting with introduction and overall statement, followed by current map situation in the first body paragraph, and followed by what are the changes we have to predict and we have to organize and then assemble, okay, in the second body paragraph. That's it. So we are ending with this. So it's a very simple task, but we have to keep our vision on pattern first, and second keywords, and third words, and fourth time management. So these four steps we have to follow to score higher, because everyone can write the answer, but the four steps are helpful to score more band scores. Okay, that's it. Thank you.